The carpentry trade is a vast trade, so whether you're doing cabinetry, crack filling, framing, there's so many different little facets within the trade itself. Companies now are managing it so that they have year-round employment. That's probably one of the biggest changes I've seen over the last 25 years.
We had some interest from an employer in some of our students for practicum work integrated learning, and when they found out these students had actually built a house this year, they were very impressed, and they knew that they were going to be a big benefit to their job site because exactly what they were doing was they were building a house.
I was thinking, you know what, I don't really want to be in an office every day for the rest of my life. I like to work with my hands, I like to work outside, and I saw that NBCC has a carpentry program. We do all these great projects with other organizations. So we've done projects for the town of Woodstock. We built wheelchair ramps for businesses around. We are working with the elementary school to build projects for the kids. We also work with other departments in the school, like the early childhood education, and we work together to just make cool projects for people.
We do have the theory-based side of things that we teach in the classroom, the curriculum, but we also teach a lot of the curriculum downstairs in the shop setting, hands-on, and we do a lot of assessments just to see if they can actually do the job.